guys, if you're here, you got that last problem wrong, so let's work this one out. So this is similar figures, so you're going to have to, of course, do a lovely tic-tac method. Now before you can do this, you need to recognize that these triangles are not on the same side. One of them is rotated on its side. So for me, I'm going to take this first one I see, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to rotate it over. And that's what I want you to do when you see these problems. If you're here again, you know, that means you got the same type of problem wrong twice. So you're not fixing your mistake, whatever it is. So what I want you to do is, if it's the rotation part of it, that these triangles aren't set up perfectly side by side to each other, you need to recognize that and fix these. So I'm going to take this one, rotate it like this so it can match that. And when I take it and rotate it, I know this side length is 12 and that this long side length is 72. Okay, 12 goes with the X, and the 72 went with the 18. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do big over small, so big over small, and I'm going to do 72 over 18. And when you do big over small, you need, on this side, you have to do it over here. So then you come back to your big shape and do 12 over X. And then we're going to cross multiply. 72 times X is 72X. 12 times 18, you're going to have to work that out. So 12 times 18. 18 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Make sure to put your 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 6, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2. So I got 216. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a line and you're going to divide 72 to both sides. And that cancels out. That gets me X. 216 goes into the house because it's the top number, not because it's the bigger number. So 216 divided by 72. 72 cannot go into 2, and it cannot go into 1, but it can go into 216. So we need to figure out how many times. I'm going to say 3. So 72 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6. 7 times 3 is, 7 times 3 is 21. So look at that. First try. 72 times 3 is 216. 216 minus 216 is 0. So X equals 3. Again, if you're here and you're watching this video and you got the other similar figure wrong, which was this one, you need to maybe go back, watch the other video again. You need to maybe rewatch this one. You need to figure out, what mistake are you making? Is it your tic-tac? Is it when you divide? Is it when you multiply? What do you need to work on, okay? Because I'm not there, you know, to sit with you and see the mistakes and help you because you're virtual. So I want you to take the initiative, look at your mistakes, try to help yourself from making them again. And below to reflect on your mistakes, so that way when it comes for the test tomorrow, you don't make the same ones. Alrighty?